Hey everybody, how's it going? We are in Toronto Airport on our way to Las Vegas. I'm here with Greg, my wife Nicole, and his wife Alyssa, and we're heading to Vegas. It's our first time. Greg and Alyssa have been before. It'll be fun. Let's check it out. The last flight on a plane was a while ago. 2017, Nicole and I flew from Buffalo to Florida. So this is our first time flying Air Canada too as well. We're all the way at the back. Ooh, that is some nice weather. It's beautiful out. We will be staying the next few nights at the Paris Hotel, where we have a fountain view room. I saw this on the video. Watching lots of YouTube videos, so it's always fun to see in real life skis. We just arrived at the hotel. We are a little bit early. We did rent a cabana by the pool, so our room's not ready yet. So what we've done is we've paid for, we got 2 rooms, one for us, one for Greg and Alyssa. What we do is pay for an early check-in, extra 25 bucks for 1 room, throw all of our stuff in there. So that's the plan. We'll see how that works out. All right, we're heading to the Bordeaux Tower. Got Greg and Alyssa's room. We're gonna dump our stuff there. 10th floor. Heading to our cabana that we rented. Yeah, look at this. TV.
I think there's also like a...
So a quick little cabana tour. We got the seating area out there. Some sofa seats. It has a little fridge here. They put water in. I don't know what's in here. Cover. Exciting. And a television. Let's see if it works. There it goes. I turned it on. Life's good. There we go. That's the cabana area. Alright, we're gonna check out.
I was expecting this to be a little bit warmer. I know.
Refreshing.
What is now called the horseshoe. It was called Bali before it.
Okay.
But they're making that one of the towers for Paris.
Interesting. Oh, look at that. So we're just gonna walk down the street and hit up the CVS and buy some cheap liquor. So put it in the room, have something to drink on later on tonight. And the CVS is right next door to our hotel, the Paris Hotel, which we're staying at. Oh, perfect. There we go, this is what I'm looking for. Oh, thank you, sir. All right, here's Nicole and my room, $8.98. Why didn't it work? There we go. It looks the same. Look at that. Do a quick tour. We got the fridge where we're gonna put our beers we just got from the CVS. They got a safe, a TV, some drawers. Make sure no one's hiding in here. Nope. There's an iron though, an ironing board, a sweet chair, a bed. That's the king size bed. A cool charging station here, a sweet phone, a mirror. Hello. Check out the view. It should be the same as Greg and Alyssa's view. They are 2 floors up. So this is a fountain view, and we can see the fountain. So, right there, phone home. All right, you can kind of see a bit of the Eiffel Tower there. Got Greg, he's ready to go. And the bathroom, everyone's favorite, the bathroom. Another sweet mirror, a bathtub, a shower. I look forward to a shower. Les toilettes en Paris, en français. And yeah, so there is the Fountain View Bordeaux king size bed room. Alright, we're heading now to dinner. We got reservations at Hell's Kitchen. So I'm a fan of the show, watch Gordon Ramsay, and check out some of his food. Heard good things. So far it's been awesome. The weather has been absolutely perfect. We had a great afternoon in the pool, and the weather continues to be nice at this point in time into the evening. Starting to feel that jet lag, but we're doing alright. See some food, I think that'll help us. Alright, we've arrived at Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen. Thank you! It smells very good in here, and it is very busy. I got the signature Chef Gordon Ramsay dish, the Beef Wellington. Alyssa also got the same. What'd you get? Salmon?
The salmon.
Very good.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
Thank you. And Greg, you got a lamb. What is this?
Sticky toffee.
Sticky toffee.
Sticky toffee pudding. We got 2 from the table. Compliments of our server. Alright.
Now I can dig in?
You can dig in.
Do me a favor. Piss off.
Well, that was an excellent meal. What did everybody think of the meal?
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
Beef Wellington? Lamb?
Amazing. That dessert.
Oh, what do we have? The toffee dessert?
Sticky toffee pudding.
I don't know how you said it. It's only going to be downhill from here after for the meals. That was excellent. Holy moly. I'm exhausted. That was a long, fun First day here in Las Vegas. It was our very first time, Nicole and I. We've never been before. Well, technically not true. We have been on the tarmac before. We have had a layover when we came from our trip in California in 2015. So, we've never been off the tarmac. Anyways, we're here. It's our first day. Tomorrow's a full day. We're exhausted. We're jet lagged. We had an amazing meal. That was probably one of the best meals I've ever had. It was great. Everybody loved it. So Hell's Kitchen, if you're ever in Las Vegas, check it out. I've heard many good things about the Gordon Ramsay restaurants. It was great. Highly recommend. Hanging out by the pool is great. Just walking around, it's crazy to see everything. Anyways, have you ever been to Las Vegas? Let me know in the comments. We're gonna do some more exploring tomorrow. Subscribe and hit the bell button for those notifications if you want to see more when they pop up. Anyways, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for being a friend. Have a good night. Bye-bye.